In this video, I will show you how to add an anime list sitemap page to your Blogger website. An HTML sitemap is the most important thing that any blogger should include on his or her blog. It helps the users to navigate your website easily. This sitemap is very useful for those of you who have an anime or manga blog. It automatically updates the page once a new post is published on your website. Before I continue, please like and subscribe to my channel. Now, let's create a sitemap page. After you log into your Blogger account, you will be redirected to the Blogger dashboard. On the Blogger dashboard, navigate to the pages and click the new page. Then enter the title sitemap, anime list, or any other suitable title. It is entirely up to you. Next, in the upper left corner, click this icon and switch to HTML view. Don't publish this code using Compose View, otherwise it will not work. Let's now add the CSS and HTML scripts. The link to this code can be found in the video description. Once you have the code, you must manually select all of it by clicking and dragging your mouse over it. Then press Ctrl-C to copy the code. Press Ctrl to select all and press Ctrl-V to paste the code. Scroll up and replace this with your blog's URL. If you want to post your sitemap with specific label, simply add this. Change the label to your main label, for example, anime or manga. Now, modify the page settings, click on Options, and then select Do Not Allow Hide Existing to disallow the comments on the sitemap page. Finally, click the Publish button and a pop-up window will appear, and then click Confirm to publish the page. Let's view our anime list sitemap. This is what it looks like. You have now successfully added an anime list sitemap page to your Blogger. I recommend you add this page link to your header navigation menu and footer menu where your readers can access it easily. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorial videos. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. What tutorial video would you like to see next? You can make a request or suggestion.